But ask, do I care? Do I care? I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. I'ma just live my life, live my life, live my life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturallymary here. I have an amazing video for you all today, so go ahead and like this video now. If you're anything like me, I know you have those days where your hair needs to be washed. It looks a mess, but you're in a rush and you need to get somewhere. So I'm going to be showing you guys a natural hair wig that looks phenomenal. It's extremely natural and realistic, and we're saving our edges, y'all. We're not going to be using any glue or gel or anything. And this wig also doesn't require any baby hair. I know I have some of y'all out there who can't stand doing baby hair, so you don't have to worry about that either. I'm going to show you guys my natural hair wig prep first, and then we're going to get into the wig install. To start my wig prep, I like to spray on a leave-in, and if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I've been using the Juices and Botanic product line for my salon. This product is really great for hair growth. It's also a really good refresher to add that moisture back in. After applying that, I'm going to use the Hydra Cream as well as the Curl Defining Cream from the product line. I'm going to layer those two products, and then I'm going to braid my hair up.
Sometimes we make it so complicated when it ain't really that hard to understand. Maybe we're just overthinking. Do we use it too much? Don't say that word if you don't really mean it. If you ain't ready to give until there's nothing left, laying down what you want to help somebody else. We need a real kind of love. It ain't really for filters on your photos. Sometimes you survive, sometimes it leaves you with your heart broken.
Alright, now that my natural hair is all moisturized and prepped, we're going to get into this wig, y'all. So the wig that I'm going to be showing you all today is from HerGivenHair. You all know that I love them. This particular unit is in the coily texture, and it's perfect for the fall. This color is so beautiful. I just love it. The unit comes in length 14, but you can also get it as long as length 16 if you desire to. This is also a 13x6 lace front wig, so it does have 6 inches of parting space, so it's going to look really natural. All of their units come pre-plucked, so you don't have to worry about doing that. I feel like their hairlines always look so natural. This unit has been cut and shaped really nicely. The hair looked really good right out of the package, and I felt like it looked similar to the length of my hair, so I felt like it gives a more realistic appeal in that way. Now again, you could wear the unit as is right out of the package, but I like to co-wash my unit, so I'm going to do that now, and I'm using the 7-in-1 Total Miracle by Aussie. I love this stuff on my natural hair as well as on my natural hair wigs. I show you all this product all the time, so I'm going to apply a generous amount of this. I've already saturated the hair with water, and then I proceeded to add the conditioner. After doing this, I'm going to use my Felicia Leatherwood brush in order to detangle the hair and also define the curls, and then I'm going to rinse the conditioner out.
Got enough, so I split it. Everybody solid, worldwide, now I'm trending. On that hot topic, touchdown, now I'm winning. How they gonna stop it?
So now it's time to apply my stylers. I'm going to be using the All Natural Curl Defining Glaze as well as the Coconut Curling Cream. I'll layer the two of these, and then I'm going to proceed to finger coil. I decided to try something new this time, and it turned out so well.
We the talk of the town, look at me now, up in a way, we in a cloud. We set it off every time we get involved. You could let them know if they forget it, cause we got it all day, all night. You know we got it like that, got it like that. All day, all night, yeah. You know we got it like that, got it like that. We coming up, oh yeah, we coming up, oh yeah, we coming up, oh yeah, we coming up. All day, all night, yeah. You know we got it like that, got it like that. Packed out in the front row, light flex, yeah, welcome to the gun show. We done been coast to coast, seen a whole map. If you got it, let them know it never hold back. like that, got it like that.
I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. Left, right, yeah, right. Bring out the conga, bring out the bass, bring out the L. I got the chase, I got the gold. All of my necklace and a smile, you can't erase. It's the window circle over here. We like to wild out and get weird. We like to put our hands in the sky, yeah, and show the world that we here. The way we living is so rare. But ask, do I care?
Y'all, this is my first time trying the finger coils and it looks so good. I allowed the hair to air dry overnight and this is how it turned out. And I will separate the coils in a moment, but I want to try the unit on first. So when I tried it on, I realized that it probably would have been best to get a size medium versus a size small, especially because I didn't actually cornrow my hair down this time or anything. So my hair isn't super flat. So I did go about pinning my hair down in the bag just to ensure that it was flatter, but I would recommend getting a size medium if you're someone who doesn't necessarily want to do cornrows to ensure that your hair is super flat. So right now I'm trying out the Ebony New York lace tint and I feel like this is better used when the knots are already pre-bleached, and they are on this particular unit, but I didn't necessarily see a significant difference, so I wouldn't necessarily recommend this product. After completing this process, I'm going to go about cutting the lace off in the front and then we'll proceed to install the unit.
I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. I'ma just live my life, live my life, live my life. I'ma do what I want, yeah that's right, yeah that's right. I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing.
Y'all, once I cut the lace off and put this unit on, I was like, okay, it fits really flush to my head and it looks really natural. So I decided there was no need for me to actually secure it down because it just looks so great. And my edges need a break. It's always good when you find a wig that you don't actually have to apply glue or gel or sprays or anything to. Right now, I am refining the part just to ensure that it pops a little more and also that the stocking cap and the start of the lace blend a little better. I also decided to fill in the gaps near the parting area that I noticed. So I'm using the root cover-up spray in order to do that. I'm also going to be using the back of my rat tail comb. So I place that down in the parting space and then proceed to spray around that area.
I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. If you really wanna party, then let's get it started, yeah. Let's do it tonight, huh? If you really wanna know how I do my thing, I'ma show you. Yeah, that's right. On the left side, on the right side. Put your hands way in the sky, on the right side, on the left side. Do what you came to do. Here we go. I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. I'ma just live my life, live my life, live my life. I'ma do what I want, yeah that's right, yeah that's right. I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. Do my thing, do my thing. Do my thing, do my thing. I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. Do my thing, do my thing.
Rock was the man of the family. Mom worked 2 jobs just so we can have sandwiches. Anything good always came with some damages. I had to stick to the code like it's laminate. Ayy, wifey was down, had to stay with a reeler. That basement was cold and we ain't have a heater. My actions speak louder than words from a speaker. The street taught me things I couldn't learn from a teacher. I had to hold up 11 years old. I only go off the things that you show. All of my circle been solid as gold. Down was a real one, make God rest his soul. I'ma stay down when I pledge my allegiance. I made a choice to step back for a season. I made a choice to just fight all my demons. It's not that you hate, it's just you not believing. Basically, I'm finna go up, no slacking, just action, that's facts, and I swear ain't no capping. Honestly, I cannot get too attached. How he's off of the latch and I throw all the baggage. You judge a book by its cover, I'm covered, I'm covered. I know he gon' finish the story. Really, it's nothing to send him in action. I promise to chill, and that's word to my shorty. Mission.
Sometimes I'm a fall, gotta get up, yeah. I've been through some things I just can't forget. I'm so proud I didn't say that, even though it get frustrating. Life is what you make it, yeah. We all fall down sometimes. We get back up and try again. The truth ain't hard to find. You should be proud. You should be proud of yourself.
Yeah, I know
it's hard to consider it. I had a father, but not all the benefits. Gotta be God, it was hard in the tenements. Hardly a card, never calling on Christmas.
Y'all, this is so stinking cute. It looks so good. I love the color, the shape, and everything about this unit. And it was really nice to try a unit with a natural length comparable to my own. That makes it look so much more realistic. Y'all know I love a long, big, voluminous wig, but this one is so cute. I really like it. And I cannot wait to hear what you all think about these finger coils. They turned out so well. So that's pretty much the end of this tutorial. I'm going to show you all a few styles using my pre-tied head wrap. I'll also link that down below as well. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. I look forward to your feedback and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye y'all.
Yeah. She wanna be where it's shining. Yeah, I said it's all in the timing. You know that she wanna be where it's shining. On the coast, need the sun 'cause she a rose. We go out and do the most. Yeah. Fresh off hiatus, we back. We going up to the max. Yeah, ain't no one holding us back. Two locked up, we been off balance. Things get rough, but we love a challenge. Press on us, I'm covered in diamonds. Ain't no scrubs, little baby, you styling, yeah. Too good, break it down like you should. Ain't no clue what we could, but I'm gon' act like we would. Yeah, yeah, yeah.